Alright, there's another unit at the repipe and testing. Making this video, informative video, and also testing. A little bit of testing, that's all. Air test, handicap unit. The diverter right there. So just a little bit of information. This part came prefab. Came prefab from the factory. Look at this. Galvanized. You can't use that in the state of Massachusetts, guys. So we have to pay attention to certain things, right? Galvanized. So I hope this is very informative. Subscribe, like, share, and let me know what your thoughts are. Have a good day.